Hello, friends. Last week of school. Woo! Last week of virtual or distance learning as well, which I'm sure you're all super glad to be done and over with that. Not the way we wanted to end school, and I'm definitely sad about it, but we will get through it. And hopefully, when you all come back next year for seventh grade, we'll get back to normal. So, as I said, this is the slideshow presentation for week 8, our last week of school. We are only doing 3 days of school this week, so May 18th through the 20th. Everything is due by May 20th at 4 p.m. So if you have any questions, please email Mrs. Brooks or I or me before 4 p.m. on Wednesday. Special shout out to our scavenger hunt winners from last Tuesday's Google Meet call. Olivia Goldsberg scored the most points in our cores 1 and 3 call, and Alejandra Louis scored the most points in our scavenger hunt for cores 2 and 4. So congrats to you ladies. I'm glad we had 2 ladies because last week we had 2 guys, so that works out. This week we are doing one more Google Meets call, and we are going to include everybody on the Pacesetter team. I think Google Meets can hold up to 100 people, so we should have room for everybody, and I know not everybody will come, so we'll definitely have room. So our last call is going to be Wednesday, May 20th, the last day of school. We are going to meet at 10 a.m., so definitely get up and get out of bed so you can join us. We are going to be having a Hawaiian themed end of the year celebration. So put up your decorations, wear your Hawaiian shirt. If you've got flowers to put in your hair, or a flower necklace, or a Hawaiian shirt, or a hula skirt, or if you've got some decorations you can hang up behind you, do it. You don't have to, but we'd love to see everybody decorate. And if you can do that and you're interested in decorating and entering our contest for the best decorations, there will be prizes. So decorate for a Hawaiian luau. Be prepared to share with us some of your favorite memories from the whole school year for 6th grade, some of your favorite memories for the 4th quarter, and maybe what you had planned for the summer. We may not be able to get through all of that, but just think about those kind of things. So if we get a chance to share, we will have something to say. Your Google Meets link will be in Google Classroom in math, and your nickname is going to be Pace Setters, but I will put that in the Google Classroom with the link. Also, don't forget, if you haven't filled out the student survey about online distance learning, please do that. From Miss Brashira's last email, it looks like Bridgetown and Delhi are smoking us as far as how many people have done their survey. So don't let them win. We gotta get our numbers up. So definitely click on the survey here and take the survey. Shouldn't take you very long. It's pretty easy. Last assignments for the week. You're going to finish your 6th grade year strong. So first thing you're going to do is come in here and complete the needs form just like you do every week. It's your last chance to tell me anything you need that I can help you with, or any whatever comments that you want to say. You're going to go into progress book to see if you're missing any assignments for the 4th quarter. If there's something that needs to be reassigned or opened or anything like that, email me. If you aren't sure where to find the link, go to the homework document, which is that page that looks like this. I'll show you. This thing right here, our Pacesetter distance learning document. Go there, and I don't know if you noticed, but every week is still listed. So you can go way back to assignments back in April and even probably March and see all the assignments and all the links for everything still here. So go there if you need to go back and make up any assignments. When you turn in an assignment, if it's late, by this week, it is late. So any assignment you complete, if you go and you find that you're missing an assignment in progress book and you complete it, you must email me when you turn in a late assignment, because what happens is I don't get any sort of notification that you've completed it. So if you don't email me, I'm not looking for it because I would have to wade through all that stuff. But if you email me and you say, Ms. Doohan, I finished my digits 13-4 or whatever, then I will go and look and I can see whether or not you finished it and change your missing checkmark in progress book into turned in. So make sure you email me that you've turned in an assignment and tell me what it is. All assignments must be turned in and emailed to me by Wednesday, May 20th at 4 p.m. Anything after that doesn't count. There is no late work after May 20th at 4 because I have to get grades in the grade book. So make sure you do that. Here's your checklist for the last week of school. You're going to complete your needs Google form. You're going to make sure you do the online student survey if you haven't done it. You're going to attend the end of the year celebration video call on Wednesday at 10 a.m. And you're going to turn in all your missing assignments for the fourth quarter by 4 p.m. on Wednesday, May 20th. Nothing will be accepted after this time. So peace out, 6th grade. Hello, 7th grade. And school is out for summer officially on May 20th at 4 p.m. Woohoo! So hopefully I'll see you all on Wednesday at 10 a.m. on our Google Meets call. Email me as always if you need anything. And I hope you have a fabulous week.